my youth. Just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How you say him?
Yeah, Jebbe.
Okay.
One time was good enough.
30 years ago. One time not even good.
When you lock up, I hear dog them a bark outside. You wish I did one of the dog.
He said, when he in the lock up there, and I hear the dog them over the market at Chapel Jail, I tell you about it, man. And I hear the dog them over the market at bark. I say, I wish I was one of them dogs, man. Free, outside. Free.
To go wherever you want to go.
Jesus Christ, man. Everything we me know, so me that refuse, they would have good to me if me get them right person. So no nothing pretty. Trust me. I mean decide to me not go back.
Then why some man experience that and still put themselves in a trouble to keep going back?
They last. They last. Because the moment pastor tell me don't say, guess what my office? I ask him why, come out. Come out. I mean 357 Magnum ready for papa for me no. So me did a lele tell him bust me ass. And me did tell me joking man in there you get in trouble. Come out. Immediately come out.
Some man just not listen, you know. Or if you tell the man to come out and say this the boy they are this me, you know.
Leave the man place now. Leave the man place so man have one. Easier.
That's true, man.
Did they run promote the man? Either you hurt the man or the man hurt you. Who get paid? Nobody.
True, man.
So sit up. I said from everybody knows that. I mean, become 61 years old and I have no time. I not even have time for create much more for going to trouble. Shit. I not even have time for create much more. I mean, you know mean all that, but what I'm saying, with the trouble is concerned.
Yeah, see far from it.
I prefer not get nothing in this world. And most of me know in no trouble.
That's true, man. Freedom I best, you know.
When I come up here and filed for green card, I was so proud. Because I have no extended warrant nowhere for me. Because like a trouble at Jamaica, I call the guy and compromise and I settle it in the courthouse. I'm not going no further with him, I don't get to convicted. Me and him compromise the case and give him my money and we're done with it. So my name not go nowhere.
Yeah.
We never filed for green card. People say we're going to take some fingerprint. From that day, they say you want some fingerprint and you some clean one. Clean like whistle. Nothing wrong with them, my fingerprint, brother. No, in no government book has no wrong door.
For real, man.
Yeah. When you come to the citizenship, oh, poor Jesus. No flaw. The man say you come through with flying colors, boy.
So if you was a guy when you're younger, you used to give a lot of trouble, have your name in a government book. They may not find that, you know.
Let me tell you something, say. God bless my mother and father who people say was so wicked to us, especially me. Mother and father no wicked.
A day before yesterday, or yesterday,
No mother didn't know wicked.
me I talk to a guy. He watch the content on the channel. So me and him talk back in the past and he say, film childhood you do exchange if nothing. And me say the same thing too. And I tell him about my grandfather. How 3 days start 5 o'clock every morning.
Better.
You get up out of bed and that does 2 things. Either fried dumpling or fried fritters with chocolate tea.
With the chocolate tea.
Yes, and
blue jazz.
or blue jazz. And you have sun catch you in the field.
Yeah.
You know, left your yard when sun up. You dip on your way a go bush before sun up.
Yeah.
And as a little youth when me na me long sleeve shirt short and me long pants. And when you reach on a bottom past or wherever I'm do your cold skill. Your short sleeve wet and your pants foot wet because of Drew water. And when I look back, then think the Billy, you know.
You see kind of man you become? Look for the boy will never go on the bush. You see Senton thief.
Some of them
will never go on the bush and sleep in the bed till 10 o'clock. They do wrong in periods, no beat him. Like of me periods beat me. And them give you shoes and socks go to school. And they have all the line in their pocket. Can buy them bull and them butter. And they get all the goodies. Look what happened to them. Some of them turn thief. Some of them turn mad. Some of them dead. Some of them gone to prison.
I tell you, say,
Oh, come on, man.
my grandfather, him not talk twice. If he say, Joel, pass a buckle they give me.
You're not deaf.
You're supposed to hear, no ask him where say grandfather.
No.
It's you get a slap the second time. And when me look back into it, he might try to help you to be focused and pay attention, you know, man. So if you focus and pay attention to what he might do, me see my girty donkey. And he say pass the girt rope. He want me to pay attention to what him doing so that me can learn.
Yes. You can find donkey.
Hell yeah.
Man.
Anything with donkey, pad them, girt them, put an
Work
altar,
them.
anything.
Work them. Alright, first look at me now. People used to say, boy, food appearance wicked, man. I mean, never understand. If you tell people, you tell me so. I never understand if you tell them, say, no watch nothing, man. And no realize. Brother, the mother said, if you're right, you're wrong. And if you're wrong, you're double wrong. My father no said that. My father said, when I tell you to do something, if you not do it in time and you still do it, he will give you overlook it. But if you not do it, you know how it will go. You can't get away from the punishment when we punish you. And the punishment is, you get spanking. If my parents wasn't that strict, good chance I would be sitting down inside this place this morning,
For real, man.
Because there's so much thing that I would be able to do. Because me now would not spank. But when me know something, I get spanking, beaten. Me run. Me not do enough for stuff. The mind look what the result.
So you ever know say, but then you know so you get beaten for some simple stuff. You ever know say you do something and so beaten there yard that wait for you. And you wonder if you go home or go hide a bush or whatever.
You better you go home.
That I bet you better go home.
You better you go home.
Because they don't go home and they catch you.
That's what caught me here this morning. Go home and go stand up to the judgment and get it over with.
Yeah.
Eat your dinner and go to your bed.
Yeah.
Will you get some cool down?
Of course.
Go home.
That's the main thing me do when I picnic.
Go home.
Parents make a fire say, come here. You know say I beat me, okay, you know.
Go
Guess
on.
what? Me do the maths. How long them will beat me for?
Oh.
And by then they don't beat me. That over with. But if you run, you out there think to yourself, how me I go face that the judgment?
No, you
I used to when them do catch you, you better if you go.
Go on, man. Go on, go face the judgment, man. Either he's a young one and get it over with. And that you could have get your dinner and sleep in your bed.
And enough you afraid of beating, so then I'll sleep a bush just for not get it beaten.
Sleep in the people jackass pad.
Hmm?
Me. No, sir. But if I go, man, just. It's alright. Get it over with. See what me, I same thing as to this man, No go no further. Just go and talk to the man. Let the man show you what I go on. And you put it on the, come straight. Then did they run up on the one that hide the bush. Make the problem burst.
But you know, say you them nowadays though, then get less beaten than you and me when we not grow.
I know, son, attack. Is it right? I do my pick me a beat parents now. Do my people to have children a chastise parents with ease too. Especially in America, you don't know the chastisement with parents get here. Don't tell the boy to clean your room. When him say no want to clean, he's going to call what? 911 by your ass. And they charge you for child abuse. Oh, you call me crazy. You call me stupid. Call a child stupid is child abuse, you know. You call me stupid. You know what they do? You know when I take with the child for you, you know. And send him go somewhere. Build a mountain of hate for you.
I remember when me do. No, one
The
time.
material just that furious these days.
But in the 80s. And mother catch me a time and beat me out the road. That was one of the most embarrassing things ever happened to
Until
me.
you little man, yeah. If I know you
It beat me right out there, everybody see. Do that, you can't do that at some place, especially in America.
Who are you today out of that? You see, who are you today out of that?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Look at this. Let's say this is real wood. This wood come out of a seed, you know.
Mm.
And it go in the earth and it germinate.
Mm.
And it grow twice and the harvest man harvest this wood. You think the wood didn't love the soil? The tree never love the soil. No. But look at the kind of this what the same tree make. Beautiful.
For real, man.
That tree say, oh my God, I never knew I was going to make a nice nest like this. But you never love the soil. Look at the seed that they make the building. The seed was dirt. You think the dirt did love the fire? But look at the beautiful building come out of it.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me, sister? So, when we were small, all them attack in general, thank God for me. Brother.
All back then, I used to go to Molital and go spend time with.
And I used to be a big violator, you know.
You used to get trouble, eh?
I don't get trouble. No, I never get trouble. If you let me mother and father beat me for nothing, me I go fight you. And the beating go wrong.
When you go fight, you get more beaten again.
They call me, my nickname. You know what my nickname was? Big Eyed Bird. May I interrupt you, sir? May I interrupt you? Okay. My nickname was Big Eyed Virgin. You dare not call me Big Eyed Virgin them time, man. No, when you call me Big Eyed Virgin, I'm call you back for your nickname now. You sense, you not even say the board word. You sensible enough now for no say. You can't just go tell me madam, my mother go beat me. So me say alright.
Them know say you will get beaten, that's why they do it.
Yes. So me say listen to me. When them around me say, come for you, I come tell me yourself, me say listen to me. Don't tell mama, remember say you first can call me nickname, you know. And me call you back. So you come make me get beaten this morning, sir. Me a big man to tell mama. So me find say they reach up for you and me say, watch and see. So mama call me and beat me, me say, what me know?
A giant on your neck.
No, me had him do
So
something.
top them in the eye.
I give him sign. Violate now. You can surely put the pot on the fire. Say later on, me catch you down the river. Me a box in the head and me a kick you too. You make me get beat for nothing. You shouldn't do it. This boy wild, you know. See him. Then me did down a bottom down so. The last house down a bottom down this river.
Yeah.
Me a dick stucky boy. You look like pastor for the liquor. Lie. You just lie that boy they tell for me. So my grandmother know. Him a fear hider. Him if walk, if she could have put a wing on him, the boy could have fly. So we go over the river the morning. See the hill over there so. See the district over there so. And the river down here so down a river.
Mm-hmm.
You know, sister, me saying that they don't river the morning because I can't see this one see them. So they be right over the river. You know. Me hope they so. Me saying that they do this. So me look over and see water come down to the riverside.
Mm-hmm.
Feel nickname, but shall I go?
Shall I go?
Shall I go?
Mm-hmm.
So me start up this one scene now. So you how they lie. When me start up this one scene now, who was so? What me know? Shall I go? Heiner, Miss Gwen, and June and one down on the river. But I couldn't see them from where I was.
Mm-hmm.
So they said, shall I go? And they start bawling. Hey, hey. So when me inside, I said, what? How are you? So they said, nah, inside the river, but me don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, him don't know. And the guy virgin kicked me on my belly. Hope it's okay there. And the boy hope myself. But I never know single man in the river. But hey, you know what? How are you? I think I bring the back fight and kick me on my belly. I mean look, somebody me go look. And come down. By the time I put my head, I say now for my mother, I tell my mother say,
You kick it,
you
even.
kick my belly. And the other woman come and say, beside what you said, boy. I know, beside boy, tell me you call the boy. Beside what? He called the nickname. But he couldn't tell me, so I kick him over this.
Mm-hmm.
That's when my mother kind of
Yeah.
calm down and start looking to things. Me auntie come over and start crying. Me auntie say, no, beat him, taking it him up. The perfect boy turn up. And up, we was up.
So look how much did I get beaten for nothing.
The grandmama, I worship him too much.
Yeah.
Like even when he knows a lie, he still, you know, things say, he said, boy, I call me boy, nickname. She said, me kick the boy in the belly. That's how dangerous the lie they was.
Mm-hmm.
Me say, listen, me now. He said, me get beat this morning, you get beat in the evening again, you know. Can you kick it in the belly for real? Violator. I was a violator.